Hi, Tom Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead and some changes on the way and one unknown almost as we discuss, again, first of all, this disturbance which is producing a few scattered showers and thunderstorms across parts of the area for this Thursday afternoon. That activity will likely wind down, and as this system moves out, some drier air and a little bit cooler air will take its place. And we will see some pleasant temperatures heading into the weekend. And then the wild card on what's going to happen this week will be a disturbance that is in the Gulf of Mexico. It is likely that we will see this become a depression. In fact, it could occur after I record this later on this afternoon. An Air Force reconnaissance plane is on its way to investigate this system. So we could at the very least have a depression. Eventually, this is expected to become Tropical Storm Wilfred. And the jury is still out on exactly where this system could go. It does appear as if it's going to, during the next several days, kind of hang out off the coast of South Texas and then potentially work its way to the north. Some models do show it bringing some rain to us as soon as the middle of next week. So this is one thing that we will have to keep an eye on as more than likely it'll pass to the south of our area, but again, there's still a great deal of unknowns. In the meantime, we are looking at some quiet weather here for the Arcaltex as we check in with Robin's Toyota FUTURECAST. You can see the rain that we have developed across the region this Thursday afternoon ending. We'll see a partly cloudy sky tonight, and then tomorrow quite a bit of sunshine across the region with some clouds mixed in. Notice the northeasterly wind, which will pump in some drier air. We will clear out totally across the region tomorrow night for the most part. And then for Saturday, we start the weekend with lots of sunshine, nice breeze out of the northeast, and slightly below normal temperatures across most of the region during the day. Decent amount below normal during the nighttime hours. Until then, another relatively mild night tonight as temperatures again will be above normal as we'll bottom out for the most part in the mid to upper 60s. That includes 69 in Shreveport, 69 in Natchitoches, 66 degrees for the high temperature tomorrow in Texarkana. Daytime highs mainly in the low to middle 80s, 82 in DeQueen, 83 in Texarkana, 85 in Shreveport, and 87. That'll be your daytime high tomorrow in Natchitoches. So again, smooth sailing, but again, that tropical system is something that is worth watching as we look at the outlook from FUTURECAST here. You can see it does develop this system as you can clearly see the wind arrows here indicating a closed circulation, and you can see the location as we work our way into Monday morning just southeast of Brownsville in the western Gulf of Mexico. Again, models all over the place on where this system could go after that. Some actually take it into Texas, some take it up into southeast Louisiana, some take it more towards the east. So a great deal of uncertainty, especially with the system having yet to develop, and we'll know more as we move through tomorrow and especially the weekend. But this is definitely something worth watching. It does appear as if it has a decent chance of eventually becoming a hurricane as well. So we will be watching that very, very closely. Other than that, the rest of the week ahead is looking relatively quiet. If this system stays to our south, we will stay dry. I will put at least a chance for some rain in the forecast starting Monday. But keep in mind, these numbers could change. They could go down, go away, or even go up, as we'll see highs mainly in the low to middle 80s. Lows will, for the most part, be in the low to middle 60s. We will see some low 60s across the region this weekend, and even some 50s, as I mentioned earlier, across the northern half of the region. So, all in all, it looks like a dry couple days for Friday and the weekend, and then we'll have to keep an eye on that developing tropical system in the Gulf of Mexico.